Shakar!
What's up?
Tell me something.
You've already heard all my stories. All except for maybe the Temple of Sandstorm.
Where is that?
That's just the point. No one knows where it is. It's not marked on any map, and there are no roads leading to it. The only way to get there is to pass through the magic portal. One such portal can be found in the snowy mountains, and the other ones in the jungle. Step through the portal, and you'll be taken right to the temple. And boy, is that place creepy. A scorched desert, stretching in all directions. And at the center of it, a towering cluster of columns, statues, and the like. They say that the temple was built by the gods themselves. Much blood has been shed over the magical stones that occasionally appear there. Alas, no matter whose blood is spilled, in the end, the only winner is the desert itself. Outsiders aren't welcomed, and mistakes aren't forgiven. Woe betide anyone who gets caught in its mighty and devastating sandstorms. The world as you know it is being swept away. You'll forget all about the rocks you have come here for.
Sure, go on with your yapping.
I think I've had too much of this brew, but heed my advice nonetheless. Never set foot in the Temple of Sandstorms.
So, a mountain portal. I'll remember that.